Hey guys, it's Chris here over at AceVacuums. Today we're in Fairfax, Virginia. Our address is 11110 Lee Highway. Today we're going to introduce the brand new Miele. It's called the CX1 Boost. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so the CX1 Boost. This is an all-white unit. It has a lot of cool capabilities on it. So you have your nice carrying handle in the front of the machine. It has two large rubber-coated base wheels that doesn't scratch or damage to hardwood floors. It has a suction control at the top here that's going to show you from your lowest down to your curtains, your area rugs, hardwood floors, and then all the way up to your max carpet cleaning. You have a retractable cord here. You can pull this out, retract the cord. Your on and off button is here. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to show you guys on the CX1 is its amazing filtration design. So this has a few different filters in it that's going to get the best air quality for your home. The first one is going to be right here on the back. So you're going to lift this container up, you're going to pop this tab out, you're going to notice your charcoal filter here. You can take this off. Then you're going to have your HEPA pre-filter here, which is a completely washable filter that's also going to come with the tool to be able to clean your filter. And then also you can open this bin up here and you also have a pre-filter here which you can use this tool to clean and clean that filter there. The next filter we're going to look at is the main HEPA filter on the front of this machine. You're going to push this tab down and it's going to show your main HEPA filter here. This is going to eliminate down to 0.02 microns. The filtration on this machine is absolutely excellent for being a bagless vacuum. So since this vacuum is 100% bagless, we're going to show you guys how to empty the container. So you're going to lift this handle up, pull straight up. On the back here, you're going to notice the fill line, which is right there. When you want to empty the container, just make sure this is hanging over top of a trash can. Hit this button in. It's going to release all the contents. When everything's out of there, just close it back up and just lay it right back into the machine. Lock it in. So the next thing we're going to go over is all the attachments that come with the CX1. So the first is going to be your main three, which is going to be your crevice tool, your upholstery tool, as well as your dusting brush. They're going to sit right here on the handle for you. Now you don't have to keep them here. You can also take those attachments off, but they are nice and convenient right here. You're going to get the hose, the wand with the air suction control right there. You get the telescopic wand for the breast height, and if you have to get up in the high to reach places, you can adjust that telescopic wand to whatever height you need. The next tool you're going to get, which is really nice. This one comes with the Parquet floor tool, which is good for all hard floor surfaces. And then the very last tool that you're going to get with this machine is the Altec tool. This has the capability to both do carpet and hardwood floors. So when you hit this down, it's going to bring your bristles out for your hardwood floors. And then when you hit this button, it's going to retract those bristles so that way you can do all of your area rugs and